Hi guys, we're Tim and Sandy and of course Pablo, and we are currently travelling around in our 2004 Mercedes Sprinter. Recently we just got back from an epic trip to Tasmania and we are currently on our way back to Queensland.
What are you up to now?
Well, I'm glad you asked.
Yesterday was a mad rush. It is a rainy day. We're going to have to stay inside. First place didn't have a tumble dry. It was a little bit rough for me. Handle broke. Keeps smashing me in the leg. 5-hour drive to Tamworth.
Don't worry guys, as usual, we have a few laughs.
Good morning everyone. So yesterday we didn't film too much as we left the Spirit of Tasmania and we had to see some friends and give them their snow. And for those of you who are wondering, yes, it did stay frozen. We kept it in the freezer. Anyway, we then made our way up to a place called Coonamoo, is that right? And we're staying at like a little strawberry farm because along the Murray River there was places to stay, but I believe it said it was thick sand and not too sure if it was suitable for our Sprinter. So we came here, they said it was safe and had nice breakfast and all that sort of stuff. So it is actually quite nice, but it doesn't open till 9 and we need to get going, so we can't stay for breakfast. But we are headed up to, where are we headed to now? Forbes. So it's a 4.5-hour drive. We will film as we go if we see anything really cool. We're hoping to be a bit more casual day today. Yesterday was a mad rush, but we'll see you on the road. We've decided to stop at a place called, where are we again, you said?
West WYALONG.
West WYALONG, and we've you're sticking out a bit. And we want to stop at a bakery to get some food because lunchtime. We've got a couple of hours to go, but we just wanted to get some food. And it's a cute little town. Nothing much is going on, but nothing is in these little country towns. Odd in there because I didn't really dress well today. I've got a flannel on, tracksuit pants and a t-shirt. I feel like a bit of a hobo. But anyway, I hope I fit into the little small country town here, but we're going to get on our way. Just stopping off at Woolies just to pick up some coffee and some other essentials before we go to the showgrounds. Well, we found our place in Forbes. We tried 2 places. First place didn't have a tumble dry, it was the showgrounds, and it was a little bit rough for me. So we left there and we came to a campground here. They didn't have a tumble dryer either, but the lady at reception said we could put it in the reception area. They've got a tumble dryer in there, so it's quite a nice area. I'll just show you around. That's where we parked, underneath this nice big tree.
Not worried about side looking right.
And the amenities block is, sorry about the sun, I'll try and cover it for you. It's just over there. We have a pool and I'm quite happy with that, so let's get the laundry on straight away. Washing is on. Just another couple of things we're doing as well. This handle broke, so that has been re-put on. Another thing we're doing is this keeps smashing me in the leg. As we go along bumps, it keeps falling out, so Tim's going to fix that as well. It's great to have these little stops. What are you up to now?
Well, I'm glad you asked. Before we left, we bought an extension of the exhaust pipe for the diesel heater so we wouldn't get gassed out at night. But it's only now being fitted, even though we've just spent the last month using it. It's not actually been dry enough to do it. So
finally, it's getting fitted.
Finally going to get done.
Finally.
And then we'll just go back to the warm.
It wasn't actually that bad, to be fair, but...
No, but you could smell a little bit.
Slightly.
It came in through the doors a little bit. So, yeah.
Cool.
Putting this on just to get it done.
Just in time for home time.
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. So we've just got up and had a shower this morning. We're just about to have our morning coffees, and then we're about to head off on a 5-hour drive to Tamworth. Now, the few things happens at Tamworth, and I will tell you when we get there. Morning coffees.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Arrived in Tamworth, and again it is a rainy day. It's a nice campsite actually. We're right near a river, but because it is a rainy day, it means we're going to have to stay inside.
See, I have complete control. I'm a professional.
Okay, it's going now. Well, it's still raining, but I think it's dinner time, and I think we need to get these blinds up. So let's get this done.
We don't want people looking in.
We don't want people looking at us because we're idiots. And I'm just editing for the moment because we can't go outside. And Tim is Instagramming, I think, but he's also cooking dinner. And we have on the boil some potatoes, and we're having, I can't see over there,
Chicken-free chicken schnitzels.
Yeah, schnitzels, if you will.
Can't even say that. Schnitzels.
Yeah.
I'm trying to Instagram, but at the moment the internet service is killing me. And every time I go to post, it resets itself. So
Yeah.
it's a nightmare to keep you guys entertained. It's an absolute nightmare.
It is a full-time job. I can vouch for that, doing everything. We've just got the washing up to do now, so I'm going to sign off for tonight. Hopefully,
Who's got the washing up today?
I said we have.
Yes. I watch, you watch.
Anyway, we're just going to do that and watch a show and go to bed, so we'll catch you tomorrow.
Night!
So we've just packed up. We're still in Tamworth and it's not raining, as you can see. So I'm just going to take you into the town centre and show you around a bit there.
Tamworth was settled in 1850 and now has a population of 64,000 people. It's the largest and most populated city in the region. The city is also known as the first town of lights, being the first place in Australia to use electric street lights in 1888. The city is recognised as the National Equine Capital of Australia because of the high number of equine events held in the city. The world-class Australian Equine and Livestock Events Centre is the biggest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere. But of course, we can't forget the Tamworth Country Music Festival, and Tamworth being known as the country music capital of Australia, the second biggest country music festival in the world after Nashville.
way to Coffs Harbour, we were just driving through some beautiful landscapes, and we saw a sign to a rainforest walk, like a skywalk. So we thought we'd stop in. There's a motorbike coming, so sorry about the sound. But we thought we'd stop in and see what it's like. Hopefully it's beautiful. So this is it. It's not like the one at Mount Tambourine, like I haven't taken you there before, but it's very short, but I'm assuming it's a spectacular view. So we're at the end of the skywalk, and that view is just spectacular. I think out there is Coffs Harbour, where we're staying tonight. We just haven't exactly figured out where, but I can't believe that. It's just amazing.
And just 2k off the highway.
And apparently there's a 10k walk just along the top of the mountain there, and there's a, what did you say there was a...
It's called Never Never Picnic Area.
Never Never Picnic Area, but it is closed at the moment, so I can't take you down there. That looks actually really nice. We don't have time to do it today, so we better get off to our site in Coffs Harbour. We'll see you there. I can't see. Oh wow, look! How pretty is that? Can you see that?
Yeah.
So we've just arrived at our campsite. It's a little bit north of Coffs Harbour. It's actually Sawtell Park, and it's a caravan park. It's $45 a night. It's actually like a little rainforest next to the beach. So we're taking a walk now, and we're going to see what this beach is like. And this is Sapphire Beach, but that sunset is a cracker.
There's a lighthouse over there.
And there's a lighthouse over there apparently. Oh, there is, on that little rock thing.
That is South Solitary Island.
Oh, it's South Solitary Island. Oh, that sounds mysterious.
And there's another one over there. That's called Split Solitary Island.
Split Solitary Island.
And there's another one. Oh my god, there's another one over there. Isn't
Enjoy this beautiful beach, but we'll get back to you tomorrow morning and hopefully show you sunrise if we get up. If we can get up. We'll see you then. Sweeping up here?
Yes.
So this is winter in in New South Wales, folks.
Yeah.
It's certainly not Tasmania. I know it's still Australia, but it's such a difference.
There's a massive contrast, really.
It is.
And yeah, the solar is kicking out full power. It's awesome.
Yeah, it's such a difference. We're going to go pick up Pablo today, so I'm looking forward to that. So, what's it called again? The Italian Pavilion?
New
Italy or something?
New Italy turn off.
On the way home. So we're going to stop for some lunch, and I'm dying for some pasta, so I can't wait for this. I've never heard of it before, but Tim has. Right, let's go check it out.
New Italy was settled in 1882 by Italian immigrants and was formerly named Little Venice. It has a population of 187 people and it's a popular overnight stop for campers, RVs and caravans. New Italy boasts a cafe, a gift shop, museum and free amenities for travellers.
That was a lovely stopover. So now we are finally going to go get Pablo.
And this place is on Wikicamps.
Oh yeah, this place is on Wikicamps. You can actually stay here overnight. It's got a place to wash your dishes and all that sort of stuff in there for campers. And I think is it just a one night stay? Do you know?
I'm not sure if it's a one night stay, but I know it's free.
Yeah, it's a free stay over for campers. It's pretty cool actually.
Yeah, just off the highway.
And
it's actually
brilliant coffee. Best coffee I've ever had.
The reunion of mother and child.
Let's stick everything together.
Gotta put his coat on.
He's gonna put his coat.
Hello. He looks happy to see you. Hello, Bobby. Hello. Someone's happy.
Hello everyone, so as you know we have arrived home and it was a fantastic trip. Pablo's here and it was good to get settled back in. So in the commotion yesterday we forgot to end the video for this week, so I apologise. I'm doing it right now. Yeah, we had a few things to do yesterday, get Pablo settled back in, we had to clean out the van and all that sort of stuff, ready for next week's trip, which I don't know what we're up to, but we'll definitely be taking the van somewhere. So please subscribe, give us a thumbs up and we'll see you next week. See you later.